The Three Cheats. A Brahmin was walking along a road, carrying a goat on his shoulders. Three cheats saw him. "Let's take the goat away from him," they said. "We can sell the goat and get some money." The three cheats hid behind some bushes and made a plan. Then they began to walk separately, as if they did not know one another. The first cheat passed by the Brahmin and called out, "Good morning to you, Maharaj. I see that you're a holy man. But why are you carrying a dog on your shoulders? What will people say if they see you?" The Brahmin turned his head to look at the animal on his shoulders. No, it was a goat all right. It was not a dog. Perhaps, he thought, the man couldn't see properly. So he went on. After some time the second cheat met him. "Panditji," said the second cheat, "where did you get the dog from? Surely, a holy man like you should not be carrying a dog. Throw him away." After saying this, the second cheat went away. "Very strange," said the Brahmin to himself. "This is the second man who says I'm carrying a dog. Perhaps I might have made a mistake." He took the goat down from his shoulders and looked at it long and hard. No, it was not a dog. It was a goat. Perhaps the second man hadn't looked carefully. He picked up the goat and walked on. Soon the third cheat came along. "Goodness!" he cried. "What is the matter with you, Panditji? Why are you carrying that horrible dog on your shoulders? I thought you were a holy man. People in the village will mock at you when they see you." Then the third cheat also went away. The Brahmin was now really worried. "Oh, what's the matter with me?" he cried. "I must be going blind. And all this time I've been thinking it was a goat. I'll go to the cheat who sold me this dog and get my money back." So saying, he threw down the goat and went away. The three cheats came rushing, picked up the goat and went happily off to sell it. Thanks for watching.